Hi Christian, how are you doing today?
Quite well, thank you.
So thank you for your time. We're at Money 2020 Vegas in 2019, actually. We just spent a bit of time with Finastra, with Ellie from Finastra. It was a great conversation about the platform. We're going to talk about it in a second. First of all, let's step back. Could you please tell us more about your organization?
Yeah, so I'm with Monotto, and our product RoboSave, we're working with Finastra to get to market. So we use artificial intelligence to automate personal finance. So we pull in transactions, run it through some algorithms, determine how much an individual needs to save, how much they can handle saving, and then we automatically do that for them.
So you do that again, leveraging Finastra's platform?
Correct, yeah.
So if we step back again, let's talk about that if you don't mind. So the FusionFabric.cloud, or why did you decide to invest again, even though it's super easy, allegedly, or fast, quick, to create new apps, but still, what made you, again, convinced you to do that, to spend the money, the resources, the effort, to help build and change customer experience leveraging the platform?
Right. Yeah, I mean, no matter how easy an integration is, it's still an investment. So when determining which partners to work with, which integrations to really put the resources behind, I think it made a lot of sense to work with FusionFabric. And there's a lot of benefits specifically for us and for all fintech companies. Using data is something that obviously is only going to get more and more important, and getting that data from the financial institution has historically been a huge challenge. They're obviously very protective over it. And so in order to get it, there needs to be a safe way to do that, and FusionFabric has, that's the whole point of it, is being able to work with fintech companies that have cool ideas, get them the data that they need in a safe way, and then allow them to provide this really cool, innovative technology. So getting the data, and then obviously using their front end to display it for the end user to be able to use. And FusionFabric, the name and them putting it behind you, making you go through their security protocol, all that, it really gives you more trust from the financial institution as well. So, yeah.
So access to data, the reputation, credibility, and level of security of the platform itself and the brand Finastra, and also, I guess, so how quickly you can go from development to integration.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shorten that considerably, actually, compared to what it would take in a normal situation with no access to data. So that makes sense. RoboSave, right? So you gave us a quick overview. So that's good, thank you very much. So what's the next step for that? And your collaboration with Finastra, is it to add even more value to RoboSave for some reason, if it's possible?
Yeah.
And or to build new apps, again, based on the platform?
Yeah, I think there's a little bit of both. Our goal is definitely to expand the product, maybe by creating other products that go together with it. We definitely want to expand past automating, saving, to paying off debt, investing, and then using all that data that we're creating, what the individual is saving for, where they're at in their financial life, to be able to make sure that a very personalized ad is able to get to them. We know you're 6 months away from reaching your house goal. Here's a mortgage. That kind of, very personalized and automated advertising as well.
Okay. So how does success look like then for you?
I'm sorry, say that again?
How does success look like? How are you going to measure the true value of such a collaboration?
So I see success in two ways. One, individual, so the end user, going from where they're at, whether it's just a checking account, a low balance, whatever they're at, to being financially stable. So having a safety net, being able to save for their house, being able to save for a car, being able to save for whatever goal they have. And then on the financial institution side, I want them to be able to see an increase in account values, so they have more money in the institution, as well as more accounts being opened because that individual is a more stable person now, so they're going for more financial products.
Okay, so the value would be to have as many Finastra clients, customers as possible using your app and demonstrating or proving the value by achieving those business goals that you just mentioned, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Client side and financial institution side.
Right.
That makes sense, fair.
Yeah.
2020 is coming, we had money 2020, but the year 2020 is coming pretty quickly now. What's next then for your organization for that specific collaboration, and maybe any other key announcement?
Yeah, we're definitely wanting to scale up with it. We want to prove for ourselves that our product can scale with this kind of model, and then we also, of course, want to work with Finastra to make sure that their model of the FusionFabric can scale as well. So I think we have a very mutual goal there of we want to show that this product is not only good for one institution, but it's good for hundreds of institutions, all through FusionFabric, through the front end of their app and website.
You need to start somewhere. So again, that's a great
That's right.
announcement from last week or 2 weeks ago. So congratulations, Christian. Have a great Money 2020
Doing my
Vegas.
best.
And hopefully I'll see you soon with Finastra or just your organization.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
Thank you so much.